Hiya, so today I've got another unboxing for the Feelook Art Diamond painting. This one is part of this month's range where they're showcasing Tabz Jones, the artist, and the ones they have used in their art. So here goes. Okay, so as usual, this is the second time collaborating with Feelook, and again they send it in a nice sturdy box. So I'm just going to open this up. It's taped really well as well, so there's no chance of this coming open when it's being sent to you. Here it is. So we've got the box here. Again, it's in plastic, so it's all kept shut. It's got the picture and information of the canvas that's inside. Instructions on the back. So there's multiple instructions everywhere, so if you lose your sheet or whatever, even though diamond paint is pretty simple, still the tips and tricks are everywhere. I'm just going to take the plastic off now. Also, all their socials are on the box as well. Okay, so here goes. I love these boxes. And they're great as well because you can keep everything inside of it while you're doing it. So like I say, this is the second time working with Feelook Art, showcasing their stuff, and I'm really excited to see what this one looks like. Okay. Oh, trying to open it. See, that's how actually sturdy these boxes are. I have trouble like folding them over that way. Get them open nicely. Okay, so this is it. Oh, this is slightly different from the last one. So we've got a little shiny card with the image on it, so it's like an art card. Well, this is one slightly different from the other one. Okay, so this one already has the stickers with both the number associated to it, the whatchamacallit, actual colour number, and I can't think what symbol. There you go. It says it right there. Symbol. Simple word. Why can't I remember it? Whereas before you got some stickers for the baggies to bag it up, and it literally just had the numbers like these, but they were slightly different. So I'm not sure if this is an older thing they've changed it, or if the one I got before was older. I'm not sure, because then it was a new range. Maybe this is it, or they maybe just do different packaging and stuff with it. So that'll be a fun thing to see what's inside here this time. So this is the little card that's got information of what you need to do, and then the start and complete date, which I like that. I do like that. So yeah, I like this art card. That is like, I'm a fan of shiny stuff. Okay, so now on to this one. Again, I love the actual canvases. They are so soft. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so if you can see it, and I'll slowly pull it up. So this one is, well, what was this one called? Something like Candlelight and Roses. Yeah, by Tabz Jones. So this is gorgeous. So this is slightly smaller than my other one, so hopefully I'll be able to get this done a bit quicker. But this is so nice. And even like it looks glittery actually on the canvas as well. So that is going to be really nice. All the progress of these, because I will be doing them, I will be putting on my Instagram. So if you want to see the progress of what they look like as they're being done, it will be on there. There'll be an update, and then I'll do a short once it is fully complete on here. So these are the drills. These aren't acrylic, they are actually resin, so I think they've got a bit more of a shine to them. Okay, that is a nice colour. So yeah, these are all looking pretty good. Like with these, I have seen with the last one that I'm currently doing, the drills are a lot better than some drills you get, because you know how sometimes you get ones that maybe some like misshapen or stuck together. There's certain places where you actually get quite a few of those, and I've only come across like literally one or two in the other one I've been doing. But so these are actually quite good quality, I think. And they do come up really shiny. And then here's the little tool pack. I like the fact how this is resealable as well, so you can keep everything in here. That's it. So again, I've got the twistable stylus pen. So you just twist it to open it, and it will push out the wax, and then you've got refillable wax. To take it off, you just untwist this end and you put the wax in, so you don't have to constantly go from the wax to this. It's just a random little bit of wax that's supposed to come out. Then you've got the baggies, so you get plenty of them, and then you get the stickers for the baggies. So this is what I got last time. But you also get these stickers as well with this one. So it's probably, you can choose what you like. Are they stickers? They look like stickers. Yeah, they are stickers. So yeah, you can probably choose what ones you want to do. Let me double check. Yeah, because they've got them on here as well. So you could use these on the baggies or those on the baggies. It won't make much difference. And then you got the little tweezers if you need to move something. And then 2 of the trays with the little nozzles, so they're easy to pull out. So yeah, everything you need to do it is here. as a little crease to fit. That will soon lay flat. So yeah, again, very happy with this. Like I say, the quality of these is just amazing. And they're still affordable as well. So I can't fault them. It's like, it's so clear, the symbols and stuff. Because I really can't stand it when you go to put it, it's like, is that an 8 or is that a B? Like, these are clear. I've not had trouble reading one once. So I really can't wait to start this one. I might start this one as well as doing the other one, do both at the same time. So there'll be multiple updates on my Instagram. So if you're interested in this range or any of the other ranges, I do recommend checking them out. You can use my affiliate link, it's in the description, or just go to the website yourself. It's just Google it if you like, it's Feelook Art. But these are so nice. I haven't come across a better brand yet. I haven't tried them all yet. I'm gonna be trying some other ones eventually, but yeah, I really can't wait for this one to start it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Check out any of the other designs, and there'll be more craft tutorials in the future. Probably more diamond paintings as well, because there's some other stuff I'm doing currently as well. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.